In this video, I'm going to go over my 3-year journey with KDP and show you how much money I've earned over the last 3 years self-publishing no content and low content books on the Amazon KDP platform. And I'm going to do that by answering 5 of the most common questions I get, which: has my KDP account been terminated? How quick can you start making money with KDP? How much money can you make self-publishing on KDP? How many books do you need to publish in order to make a decent income? And do you need to run Amazon ads in order to make an income on KDP? So if that sounds useful, then follow along. Now, if you've not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name's Paul Marles and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. And that's your money I'm talking about. And if you do like videos like that, then please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell to receive notification of when I produce more videos like this. Now, when you're starting out in any business, and this could be, any online business, including publishing on the Amazon KDP platform, you've got lots of doubts. You doubt whether this is going to work. You doubt whether I'm actually doing what I say I'm doing. And a lot of people don't think it's going to work for them. So I'm going to answer some of these common questions and show you what I've done over the last 3 years and hopefully get you to the stage where you can be publishing on Amazon, or if you already are, building your number of books and building your income. So let's get into it. Now, first of all, has my KDP account been terminated? Now, this is one that I found quite amusing because a lot of people have messaged me telling me my account has been terminated. Now, I don't know where this has come from. I think it may be because I haven't created any income reports over the last 6 months or so. And apparently this has been going around on various Facebook groups and forums, which I tend not to take part in too much because I find them a bit of a time sink. And I prefer to devote my time to creating content like videos on this YouTube channel. But to that question, has my account been terminated? Well, it's a categorical no. It's still alive and well and truly kicking. Okay, next question. How quick can you start making money on Amazon by self-publishing these no content and low content books? Okay, so let's go over to the KDP platform. This is the reports platform. And first of all, you can see I've been making sales over the last 28 days. So my account is truly alive and well. If we go to the KDP reports beta, and we can see here, we've got my sales figures over the last 3 years or so since I started. And I started mid-June 2018. And we can see I sold no books during that first month. Second month, didn't make any sales. It wasn't until the third month in August 2018 that I actually started to make sales and receive royalties. And you can see it was a grand total of $13.02. Not a huge amount. However, that got me addicted because it was like it showed me a proof of concept. And I loved the idea of being able to create these books free of charge, upload them to Amazon, and just have them sit there potentially making money from the day they're published until either the account was terminated or until Amazon went bust and combusted and disappeared. And we can see that the income slowly increased over the next months. To November, made $245.92, and December, which is always the best month for making sales due to the Christmas holiday period, I made $597.82. So when people message me and say, look, I've produced a couple of books, I'm not making any sales. What's wrong? Well, simple answer is neither did I. It took me about 6 weeks before I started making sales. But people do contact me, say they produced their first book, and within a few days, they've started making sales. So really, the answer is it all depends. It depends what niche you've picked, depends on your keyword choice, keyword use, depends on your cover designs, and various other factors like title, subtitle structure, and pricing. Okay, the next question, which is how much money can you make selling books on Amazon KDP? Well, I've made $102,100.39 in royalties since I've started, but that's not the full picture because I've also run ads and spent money on ads. That is $21,278.28, which means my total income, my royalties, which I've had to pay tax on, might add, has been $80,821.21. And that's, again, just over a 3-year period. And you might say, well, that's not much compared to what other income reports people who are doing KDP have produced on YouTube, or compared to other online businesses, in fact. However, that's not the full picture, and there's something very important I want to tell you. So let's go and have a look at what my earnings have been over the last 3 years. Now, in the first year, I made $996. Second year, $12,280. 2020, $31,286. And this year up to now, $36,255. It's about 2.5 months to go. So I think this year, given that December is normally a very good month, I think the income will be around the $50,000 mark. Again, that may not sound a lot, but what I want to show you is that from producing books and creating income on Amazon, it's consistent and has been increasing year on year. And in fact, if I look at each month this year and compare it to the same month last year, each month this year has been higher than last year. Now, I do have to admit, I haven't created that many books over the last year due to a number of reasons. One, concentrating on other businesses, trying to build other income streams, diversify my income, which is very important, because if one income stream goes down, you want to make sure you've got other income streams, particularly if this is your full-time gig, which for me it is, because I quit my job last year. So I've only created about 12 to 20 books in the last 12 months. I've also removed some from my KDP account. So I've tried to concentrate more on quality rather than quantity, but the income has still increased. Now, the reason for that, and that's one of the beauties of this business, is that once you've produced your books, once sales start to trickle in, you get sales history on your books, you start to get reviews of your books, they then start to rank higher in the organic search on Amazon, and therefore more customers see them, and therefore you make more sales. So even though you might be thinking, oh, you know what, I'm creating these books, sales are coming in, but it's very slow. Don't be disheartened, because as sales come in, as I said, that can increase month on month, year on year. And you never know when you're going to get that one particular book that takes off and starts to produce a significant income, because about 25% of my income has come from one book that has sold consistently well and has ranked #1 on Amazon. Now, I want to come on to the most important thing about this income. So, say this income for this year is about $50,000. That income is passive income. And I cannot stress the importance of this income from publishing books being a passive income. Now, I'd rather have $50,000 of passive income than, say, $100,000 of income derived from working a full-time job. And that's because that income buys you time now, and it buys you time in the future. So as that income is coming in, you then have that time to do other things. And that could be investing, it could be building other businesses, which is what I've done over the last 12 to 18 months. I've used that time from the passive income from KDP to build this YouTube channel, to create recurrent affiliate incomes, create products to sell, to the point where my monthly income is now 6 times what I earn from KDP alone. But I wouldn't have been able to achieve that had I not started publishing books in the first place. So you can see how one thing can lead on to many other things. Okay, how many books do you need to publish on Amazon to make an income? Well, I've got 2,229 books currently. Do you need to make that many? No. If you're a graphic designer and illustrator, you can create great covers, create great interiors, and you've got your keywords on form, then you could make a sizable income, potentially from one book alone. Let's have a look at an example. Here we've got this book on Amazon from this publisher, and it's a handwriting practice book with a bestsellers rank of 141, which if we go over to a book sales calculator, we can see is selling between 7,900 to 15,840 per month. And the profit from each book, or the royalties from each book, is around about 91 cents. So from this one book alone, this publisher is making over $14,000. So the simple answer to the question is, it depends. You could make a full-time income off one book, or it might take you tens, hundreds, or even a couple of thousand books to build up an income. Now to the last question. Do you need to run Amazon ads in order to build an income? Well, I went over and I looked at my best-selling book, and it's this one here. And I created this book in June 2019, and you can see that sales have grown gradually, and this has been organically over that period of time to the point where it's my best-selling book, and I've never run ads on it at all. And I also looked at my top 10 books. Now, 2 of those books I have run ads on them, so I removed them from the list, and those 8 books have brought in an income of $51,607. Again, I've never run ads on those books. And I've got lots of other books as well that I've never run ads on that have also added to the income. So I would say out of my total 80,000 in royalties, probably around 65 to 70,000 of that have been from books that I've never run ads on. Now, if you are just starting out in this business and you're looking to create books, get them published on Amazon, then I suggest watching my book tutorials playlist next, where I go through all the important steps of creating and of publishing. I hope you found it useful. Thank you very much for your time. It is really appreciated. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, goodbye.